That boy clean. Okay. That boy David clean. Alright, guys, we just got to the tune shop. Thank you for tuning in for another video. But we out here getting my boy David's car tuned. Let's see. Damn, David, this is hard, guys. That should be nice over here, bit. I know they're tuning the Subi right now. Yo, they have so many. Look at that one right there, bro. That's pretty cool. This is a pretty lit place, boy. Got another Evo.
I love that so much, bro. Like.
So yeah, right now we're just waiting for David's turn to be put on the dyno real quick, and then the tuning will start. But it's pretty lit over here. How you feeling, David?
Feeling great.
Feeling good?
About to get my car tuned. Want to see how much the beast is pushing?
What you going for?
Smooth 350.
350?
300.
Yeah.
Let's see.
That's crazy. I can't wait, bro. Alright. Now's the time. That's the tuner taking David's car in right now. And while David's in the office, I guess doing some papers. He took an L. Yes, sir. That boy David. Finally happening, boys. Alright guys, so I don't know if you can hear me, but right now at the moment he's setting up everything, all the plugs and cords, connecting to the ECU and stuff like that, to get ready to do some pulls. And as soon as I start doing some pulls, I'll be able to show you guys. But like, look how clean it is up here, boy. I'm so happy for David, bro. Look at him. Look at that boy. That boy excited. Let's go look at the numbers. So first run, max horsepower 350, 350 torque. What were you expecting? No way. No way.
I gotta take.
I'm so disappointed in myself. David just had a run and he shot flames. I didn't record this run. I'm disappointed in myself for not getting that flame shot,
yeah, that
bro.
was nice.
Damn it. damn it. That's crazy. So that was just the last run, and those were the last numbers. 355 horsepower, 365 pound-feet of torque. That's crazy. I know my boy David happy, and I can't wait to see, or for David to see how it feels once we get on the actual road and see like how it drives and stuff. But I can't wait to like take it on the road. That boy David can't wait.
Probably redlining the whole way back. Straight redline. The 85 Max.
We're going 85 next.
About to have some fun. right at the sunset.
No lie. There we go.
That's why I got the look.
Yeah. Alright. First drive after the tune.
Here's my charger.
Oh, bet.
Did you get it go? Oh, you put it. Nah, you didn't. Yeah, you did put it behind it. Nah, you didn't.
Alright. Oh my gosh, bro. That shit hits. Look at that boy. That's crazy.
Nice. One to a full club, so 120. It's not even going down on MPG at that point. That's wild.
Alright, back in Paul's car. We just finished eating up. Woo. We just finished eating up at Olive Garden real quick. So we were pretty starving. Yeah, we were at the tuner's shop for like. We were there for how long? Like 5 hours? Like 5 hours. And now we're just gonna head home. And I might have to call it there. But I don't know. I think Paul and Dave are gonna try something real quick. Yeah, just to like test. Oh man. So we'll see what happens. I don't record or anything. If they do end up racing, and if not, then I'll just end the video at my house. David. You gonna do it? And that's that. That boy David quick as hell now. Ain't that right? That's all you saw was tail lights, boy. Oh man, that's wild. Oh man. I see you guys back at the house. This boy Paul gonna have some fun. Alright guys, finally made it home. That's going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Also consider subscribing, as I try to post as much as I can. I usually try to post every Sunday, if not more. But yeah guys, if you want to stay updated with anything that I'm doing, you can follow me on my Instagram at Dan_Lex. You can keep up with anything I'm doing there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out.